This meditation has been created for those who cannot rest without feeling guilty about it. For those who lie down at night and immediately begin cataloging everything they didn't finish, everything they should have done, everyone they feel they let down. For those who have spent so long giving everything to everyone else that the idea of giving something to themselves feels almost foreign, almost selfish. This is for you. And before we begin, I need to say something that you may not have heard in a very long time. You have already done enough today. Not almost enough. Not enough if you also do a few more things first. Enough. Completely, fully, already. The rest you are about to receive is not a reward for finishing everything. There will always be more to finish. Rest is not something you earn. It is something you are worthy of simply because you are here, simply because you are human, simply because your body and your mind and your heart are asking for it. That is enough of a reason. It has always been enough. Find a comfortable position now, lying down if you can. Let your whole body be fully supported. Let your hands rest open and soft. Allow your eyes to close. There are no clocks here, no timers, no one waiting for you. No one needing anything from you for the next little while. This time is yours. Not borrowed, not stolen, not something you will pay for later. Yours. Simply arrive. Begin by taking a slow breath in, and as you exhale, just for a moment, let yourself stop. Not forever, just for this breath. Stop doing, stop managing, stop carrying. Just breathe. Again, breathe in and let go. With every exhale, imagine that you are setting down something you've been carrying, not abandoning it, not failing it. Simply setting it down the way you would set down a heavy bag when you finally arrive home. You can pick it up again later if it still belongs to you, but right now, you are home and you can put it down. Breathe in and set it down. Breathe in and set it down. Feel your body beginning to accept what your mind has been resisting, the permission to stop. Your body has been waiting for this permission for a very long time. Let it receive it now. In and down. In and down. Bring your gentle awareness now to the top of your head. Notice the exhaustion there, not with frustration, not with the thought that you should have not been this tired. Just notice it and meet it with kindness. You are tired because you've been trying so hard for so long. That is not weakness. That is devotion. Your forehead, the lines of concentration and worry and effort, let them smooth now. Your eyes, they have been watching for everything that needed to be done. Let them rest. Your jaw, let it unclench. You do not have to hold yourself together right now. Your shoulders, this is where the exhaustion of overgiving lives most fully. The constant weight of being responsible for everything and everyone. Let them drop now. Not because responsibility is gone, but because tonight you are not responsible for anything except this breath. Your hands, these hands that have done so much for so many, for so long. Let them open now. Let them be empty. Let them rest. They have earned it. Your chest, your heart, the emotional exhaustion that lives here, the weight of caring so deeply about so many things and so many people, so many outcomes you cannot control. Place your hand here gently and simply say, I see how hard you have been working. I see how much you care. You are allowed to rest now. You have more than earned it. Your whole body now, tired, real, honest. This body that has been serving you and serving others without complaint, meet it with the kindness tonight that you so freely give to everyone else. Imagine now that you are walking down a quiet path at the end of the day. The light is low and golden, the kind of light that makes everything look a little softer, a little more beautiful, a little more at peace. The path leads to a place you've never been before, or perhaps you have been here in your dreams, in the quietest moments, the quietest days. A small and beautiful sanctuary, simple, warm, and completely private, just for you. No one else knows it is here. No one else can find it. No one can knock on the door or call your name or need something from you here. This place exists entirely for your rest. You step inside. The air is warm and still, scented with something that immediately relaxes every part of you. There is a place to lie down, soft and warm, and perfectly made for your body. You lie down, and the moment you do, the sanctuary speaks to you. Not in words, in feeling, a feeling that moves through you from the ground up, saying, you are enough. Not you will be enough when you finish more. Not you are almost enough if you just try harder. You, as you are, right now, in this exhaustion, in this imperfection, in this beautiful, flawed, devoted, tired human life. Enough. Let that word move through every part of you, through the places that have never believed it, through the shoulders that have been carrying too much, through the chest that's been holding the weight of not being enough, through the mind that has been running the endless list of what still needs to be done. Enough. You have given enough today. You have tried enough. You have cared enough. You have done enough. And now you are allowed to receive. Feel the sanctuary receiving you now, not because you earn this rest, because you are worthy of it, because rest is not a reward, it is a right, your right, woven into the very fabric of what it means to be alive. Every living thing rests. The trees rest in the winter, the ocean rests between waves. The earth itself rests in the deep dark hours before the dawn. You are not separate from this. You are part of it. And tonight, the living world is inviting you to do what every living thing knows how to do. Rest. Without guilt, without condition, without earning it first. Simply rest. Because you are alive. And being alive is enough. There is something else I want to say to you before you sleep. Your exhaustion, the depth of it, is evidence of something extraordinary about you. You do not burn out from not caring. You burn out from caring too much, from giving too much, from loving too deeply and working too hard and holding too many things at once. Your exhaustion is the shadow side of your devotion, And your devotion is one of the most beautiful things about you. But devotion without rest becomes depletion. And depleted people cannot give what full people can. So tonight, resting is not selfish. It is the most responsible thing you can do. For everyone who needs you, for everything you care about, for the life you are trying so hard to build. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Tonight, you are filling yours. Not for later, not so you can give more tomorrow. For you, right now, because you deserve it. Because you are worthy of rest, not for what you do, but for who you are. Let these words move through you now, not as things to earn, as things to receive. I have done enough today. I am allowed to rest without finishing everything first. Rest is not a reward. It is my right. I release the guilt of stopping. I am worthy of the same care I give to everyone else. My rest makes me more of who I truly am. I receive this rest without condition. I am enough. I have always been enough. I rest now. Stay here now in your sanctuary. Let it hold you. Let it restore you. Let it fill back up everything that has been given away. You can return here whenever the guilt of resting becomes louder than the need for rest. Whenever the voice that says you have not done enough becomes too loud, come back here and remember what the sanctuary knows. That you are worthy of rest, not because of what you accomplish, but because you exist. Because you try, because you care, because you are here. That has always been more than enough. Let your breathing slow even further now. Let your body sink a little deeper into whatever is holding you. Let the guilt dissolve like morning mist in warm sunlight. You do not have to earn this sleep. You only have to receive it, and you are receiving it now, deeply, fully, without condition. You are worthy of this rest. You have always been worthy of this rest. Good night. Until next time, return to still.
Hmm.